Let her explain what actually.
Yes,
Your Lordship, the first.
you are the superintendent of police.
Superintendent of Police of
Yes.
Delhi District. Your Lordship, when the first, prime accused Shah Jahan Ali was absconding, we did a lot of local inquiry, and then we got to know that his wife, the second wife, she stays in a remote share area under Chunari PS in Golpara. So we had dispatched a party from Dhubri district at night, and they reached the house of the second wife at around 4:15 a.m. Your Lordship, at around 4 a.m. it is pretty bright during.
Again,
the
you are trying to tell us what is day and what is night.
No, Your Lordship. In the house of the other, the second wife, her parents were there, her brother was there. There were other members, but because it was a 2.5-year-old baby, she did not want to leave the baby, and hence we had to bring. She got the baby out of her own accord along with her. We did not get the baby or the children along,
Okay.
but because the children did not want to leave the mother, they accompanied the mothers and came. And Your Lordship, this.
Why could your officers not have waited for 2 more hours?
Lordship, it is a remote shore area and they had to come walking. And after that, I apologize that we did not wait for.
You are a lady,
Your Lordship.
and how your officers have behaved with women. What have you done till now? These facts are on the record. Your own document. 4:15 a.m. She's brought to the police station with a child.
Your Lordship,
More is wanted.
the woman sub-inspector was there in the raiding party. I apologize that we should have waited for 2 more hours and then brought her. I apologize for that.
Why do you need to apologize for these thankless people? All right, very well. Yes, Mr. Mazumdar.
Yes.
When was Rokia Khatun arrested?
Yes. Huh?
Your
Last-
sequence,
last-
you gave her summons to appear on the next day. That is, she was to come back on 26th May.
26.
Now your sequence is silent. She is shown arrested on 31st May. What happened between that period?
My lord,
She was kept at the police station.
she was not kept in.
Yes, she was
Your
kept.
Lordship, notices were issued and she was released on PR bond, and then she was summoned the next day. We have the 160 CR.
Next day was 26th.
And Your Lordship, all the local witnesses were pointing their finger to Shah Jahan Ali. And because as per local information, we have that Rokia Khatun was well aware of all his land dealings. And the murder weapon through 2 7.65 mm cartridges were found in the scene of crime. And we have not yet been able to recover the murder weapon. So the local source
So
information.
for your failure to nab the principal accused, you will start picking up women. That's what you try to convey.
Your Lordship, the local information conveys that the wife is well aware and she has been complicit equally
So,
in hiding the murder weapon, and which is why we had to interrogate her. And because this was a completely blind case, several witnesses have been examined. So we had to re-examine her continuously so that we could corroborate new facts. And Your Lordship, if I may submit, because Shah Jahan Ali is a very well-known criminal in that area, interrogating or examining his wife.
So there is a presumption that his family members are also criminal.
Your Lordship, it's not a presumption. We have local information and witness statements which say that she was well aware of all his land dealings and his brother and she were complicit in the conspiracy and abetment of the murder of the original.
You're directing registration of an FIR now, right now. Do you have anything to add, please?
My lord, Lordship has seen the circumstances under which all these things have happened.
Mr. Mazumdar, tell us from your case diary, what happened after the lady was summoned on 26th? Where is your case diary? You can do anything you want to the accused. Why pick on ladies and children?
Rokia Khatun, my lord, one of the wives, she was produced in the court
On
on
31st.
31st. He was arrested on 31st.
So that's what the question is. You gave her summons to come back to the police station on 26th.
Someone's every day, madam.
Your written note doesn't say so.
This note was hurriedly prepared, madam. Madam, copies we have of notices. Going from the case diary.
देखना आप लोगे देखो 26 के बाद में इसको वापस समान कर दिया।
वो सही बना है इसमें। देखो स्क्रॉल अच्छी है ना। GTMT में से वो register
Mr. Mazumdar, your written note says
Madam.
Shahjahan was not found in the house of his second wife.
Madam, is not found.
She was brought to the police station at 4:15 PM. Your statement was she was residing in a remote char. So presumably she must have been picked up much before that. 4:15 is arrival in the police station. We are going by your written note.
Hello, letter about this, the pending apprised on the.
दिखता है? नहीं?
Just like understand, one the court is making it clear that you say that he wants them to every time. One.
Yeah, Your Lordship, she was got from her house at 4:15 AM and she was brought to the police station at 12:10 PM.
12:10 PM,
PM.
7 hours.
Next day.
Your note says,
Dupuria, they did was.
12:10 PM during the day, Your Lordship.
of
It was-
course, we know, that is why 7-8 hours,
Yes, yes.
4:15 to 12:10.
Right.
So picking her up at 4:15 is admitted.
26 में बोलता है, which is 26 only.
Yes.
Next day, next day again she was called at 11. Okay. So we'll focus 27. 26.
All right, you give us a translation of the case diary. We'll retake the matter on 27, on 7th. Provide us a translated copy of the case diary.
May I pray for a time being, Lordship kindly see page 17 in the petition,
Yes, just
to my petition. Yes. Lordship will find, ZD entry is made.
GDNPS
Yes, ZD entry made on 25/5
23.
23.
Yes,
at
yes.
2:11 AM.
Unknown miscreants.
Yes. Now Lordship kindly see page 18,
Yes,
page 18.
yes.
Unknown miscreant, my lord.
Hmm.
Now FIR is filed. FIR is filed, my lord, on 7:30 at 7:30 PM
Hmm.
on the same day.
7:30, yes.
It shows, my lord, some unknown miscreants.
Hmm.
Now, how they came to the, my lord, know about the, my lord, sequence of the effect as submitted before lordships.
Yes. Hello, Lordship, kindly allow her to.
Yes,
Your Lordship, the victim party was not, because they were in a state of trauma, they could not immediately file the FIR. because of which we took a suo moto case, and a supplementary FIR giving a sequence of names was filed the next day by the brother of the victim, which clearly has the name of Shah Jahan.
Now, please don't make us comment. This step-by-step improvement, you want us to believe that?
Your Lordship, all these documents have been submitted in the local court, the first FIR and the
So
subsequent.
the names of the accused dawned on them subsequently. That's what you want the court to believe.
No, Your Lordship, the first is a suo moto FIR because we knew about a cognizable offense being committed. We immediately registered the FIR. And the brother of the victim submitted an FIR with the names of the first name being of Shah Jahan Ali to us the next day, that is on the 26th. But because the case was already registered on the 25th, Your Lord, this was added as a supplementary FIR and submitted to the Honorable Court of Vilasipara the next day. All these documents are in the Honorable Court of Vilasipara.
This FIR was.
Mr. Mazumdar,
My lord.
don't force us to comment on their conduct any more than what we have already done. This is a systematic setting up of the case. Your police inspector went to the house of the victim. He was there. The victim was lying all alone on the bed.
Yes.
His family members were there. At that time, they didn't know who the miscreant was who fired. Second report at the hospital. Till then also they don't know. Suddenly in the morning it dawns on them.
No, my lord. In the, my lord, Lordship will kindly see, when they went there, the victim, the wife told that these are the two persons who are involved. In the first paragraph, it says Reza Hussain and Shahjahan Ali have killed her husband, she said.
But in the FIR is silent. Unknown miscreant.
Read annexure 2, page 19. Read your own inspector's report, page 18.
Page 18, man.
Yes.
This is
No,
suo
all
moto
right, then
FIR.
let us go into the details now. Nitty-gritties of the thing.
My lord.
You want the case to be destroyed right now? What you fabricated, you want us to destroy, we'll do that.
The investigation could not suffer for all these things. my lord. This is another aspect in the present case, my lord.
So then why your SP is trying to get us to make a comment on that? And to comment on the incompetence of your officials. Your inspector goes there. Let's see what his statement is then. Okay. 161 statement of your sub-inspector who went there. Read aloud. Dena sabin pada rahe. Padma Pani Bora. Read his 161 has been recorded or not? Read that, please.